was just finishing a chapter in my book. I really love reading, and I have a lot of fairy friends who also love to write, so it's perfect. One of my writer talent fairy friends named Taylor likes to write short stories and put them all in her notebook. She probably needs a new one by now. What if we made a notebook in the Tinker Factory? And that could be my random act of kindness for the day. A random act of kindness is when you do something nice for someone you either know or you don't know just because you want to be nice. Let's head back to the Tinker Factory and get working on our notebook. Now that we're back in the Tinker Factory, let's go ahead and follow the Tinker Fairy safety rules. Rule number 1, we need to always wear our snazzy safety glasses to keep our eyes safe. Rule number 2, we need to make sure we have a grown-up with us at all times to help us with our project and to help keep us safe. And rule number 3, we need to make sure we clean up after ourselves when we're done. So now that we've gone over the safety rules, let's head over to the supply bins and get stuff to make our notebook. Let's see, what could I use today? Let's grab some cardboard and some zip ties. Now let's get started. So in order to make our notebook, I have a hole punch, 3 zip ties, some paper, and 2 pieces of cardboard that are roughly the same size. I'm also gonna have our friend's tape and scissors. Now, let's get started on our notebook. All right, so first we need to stack all of our papers up, and we're just gonna hole punch them. Ta-da! All right, let's get those out of the way for now. Now we need our cardboard. I'm gonna take one of our pieces of paper so I know where to punch our holes in our cardboard. So let's see, I'm gonna use my scissors and just kind of make like a little mark. Don't need my paper anymore because we don't want to accidentally hole punch it. That's too thick. Well, what else could we do? You know, sometimes things don't always go the way we plan, and we got to think of other ideas of how to make it work. Let's see. I guess I could use my scissors. They've already kind of poked a hole through it. Ooh. All right, friends, make sure you grab a grown-up for this part. You're probably gonna want some help. I'm gonna take my scissors, and I am going to just twist a little hole in them where we did our marking. Twist, twist, twist. All right, we have one. Let's go ahead and do that to the other piece. All right, so first, now that we have holes in both of our cardboard, I'm gonna go ahead and line up the holes with the bottom piece in our pages, and then I will go ahead and put the one on top. Kind of looks like a sandwich. So now we're gonna take our zip ties, and we are just going to thread these through. Let's start with the bottom. I am not gonna start with the bottom. There we go. Haha, I have one. I found all the holes. All right, so now we're just gonna take our zip tie and pull it as tight as we can, grab our scissors, and go ahead and cut the extra off. And we'll just go ahead and do that for the next 2. Wow, look at our notebook, friends. It looks so cool. You know, now would be a really good time to decorate it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of fairy magic. Look at how pretty it is. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I hope Taylor really likes it. Well, now that we finished our project, let's go ahead and follow rule number 3 and clean up after ourselves. Wow, friends, look at our notebook. I guess I better go drop this off at Taylor's. I think I'll just leave it on her doorstep with a nice little handwritten note. I want it to be anonymous. Well, I should probably go do that, friends. Thank you for tinkering with me. I had so much fun with you, and I'll see you next time.